Hi, here we have another question from Iranian Mathematical Olympiad round number 1, year 1997. This is a geometry question and it was among the most easiest question in that exam. So it says, H is the intersection point of altitudes of triangle ABC. And we know that AH is equal to BC. The question is, what is the angle A? So first round of Iranian Mathematical Olympiad is usually consists of multiple choice questions. You get 30 questions for 3 hours. So 6 minutes per question on average. If you answer correct, you get plus 3 points, and if you answer wrong, you get minus 1 point. So you must select your answers very accurately. Okay, so these are the options that we have. Spend maybe 5 minutes, 10 minutes, try to solve the exercise, and then come back and see the solution. All right, let us look at the solution. We have this triangle. We know that this angle plus C is equal to 90 degree. And this angle plus C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, this angle and this angle are equal. This is what I have written here. Okay, so this angle is equal to this angle. We know BC is equal to AH. And we also know that this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, we can say that these two triangles, these are congruent. Because if these two are 90 degree, it means the other angle, like this angle H, is equal to angle C. And we know that this one is equal to this one. And the sides in between the angles are also equal. Therefore, the two triangles are congruent. This is what I have written here. If these two triangles are congruent, we conclude that AE has to be equal to BE. All right. Then this is a right triangle and AE is equal to BE. Therefore, the angle A will be 45 degrees. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. So let's see what we have learned. First of all, you have to draw the geometry of the problem very carefully. And after that, you try to analyze the exercise. Be able to show that two triangles are congruent. So there are several scenarios where two triangles will become congruent. You should know all those scenarios and be able to apply them and use them in your exercise. All right, so that's the end of this video. See you next time. Bye.